Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, my name is Septian. Today I got an unboxing. These earbuds are from JLab. I forgot I ordered these. Actually, no I didn't, I just didn't know when it was coming, but they just came today. So I'm going to open this thing up and see what we get inside. As always, practice safety. Never cut towards your body, cut away from your body. So these are the sport buds. These are the JLab GO Air Sport. The box for the GO Air Pops is they're buried underneath some other earbuds. I was going to show a comparison between the two, but it's the same kind of box. It's like a paper cardboard box. Let's see. Look on the back. You're getting 32 hours of playtime. Got ear hook design, duh. So that is on the front. You also get, oh okay, you still get the same EQs. Dual connect, IP55 sweat and splash proof. And also shows you what's in the box. You get 3 sets of tips, you get the charger case, you get the buds. It's saying that the GO Air Sports, they get 8 hours on a single charge. That's really good. And this is the 3 custom EQs you get with JLab. JLab Signature, Balanced, and Bass Boost. So let me go ahead and open these up. I really like JLab earbuds. From the time I got those ones from the bargain bin for like $6 and they were like valued at like 60, I love JLab. Let's see. Make a small incision. Come on, don't troll me. There we go. 100% recyclable packaging. Well, that's very good because the environment needs help. Why is it every time when I record a video, it sounds like I swallowed a frog? Okay, let's see. What is that, bug? Y'all put a bug in my damn... Oh no, y'all put a bug... Oh, I don't know what that is. Anyway. Okay, so here's the case. I got these in the sand. It's a pretty big case. Let's see here. I got my OnePlus Buds Z2. Yeah, it's pretty big. But these do have ear hooks, so of course the case is going to have to be slightly larger than most. Yeah, they look nice. Let's take a look at them. That's a pretty good ear hook. That's nice. I like the way that fits. I mean, I like the way that feels. Very sturdy. The earbuds got an ergonomic shape to them. Let's take this plastic off of here to see if there's any juice on the case. Let's see. Take the other one off. Okay, yep, we got some juice on the case. And because these have an integrated charging cable into the case, it's built in. You won't have a USB, you won't have a charging cable. Let me see, the silicone tip should be in this box. Here's a user manual, and the silicone tips will be in here. Yeah, that's small, and then there's large. So the mediums come on by default. That's good. Okay, let's see what else we got here. It's telling you how to pair up the buds. Okay, see, that's good. You're getting full touch controls, it looks like. Volume up, volume down, play pause, activate voice assistant, previous track, next track, answer call, hang up. EQ change is a triple tap. Good. Solid red light is, the case is 100 to 25. It blinks 4 times when it's red. Case has less than 25% battery. Okay, that's good. Well, I'm gonna put, I wish these came with the JLab signature foam tips. what are they called? Cloud foam ear tips. I love those. I wish these came with those. But seeing as how these were like 30 bucks, I can't really complain too much. Let me see how they fit in the ear. Let me see, this is the left. Okay, so these are backwards. So the left is on the right and the right's on the left. Let's see. Okay, with this ear hook on here, these things shouldn't fall out. And the way the earbuds are shaped at the end, it goes into your ear holes. Oh man, these are very comfortable. The ear hook, it goes around my ear. I wear glasses, so I find it hard to find earbuds, the sport ones anyway, because I wear glasses. Because usually when I do, my glasses get pushed down towards the like bridge of my nose. I look like Tommy Lee Jones in that gif or that meme. But these fit good. I got passive noise isolation. I can barely hear anything. Snapping my fingers. I can hear that, but I think if I change the tips on these, either some SpinFit CP360s or some CP 1025s, I shouldn't have any problems. The JLab GO Air Sport True Wireless Earbuds. These are brand new. This came out $30. Pretty big case. Oh, let me see if it fits in my pocket. Oh yeah, it fits in my pocket just fine. If you're wearing sweats, shouldn't be a problem. You got on them skinny jeans, it's gonna be a problem. But yeah, great earbuds so far. I can't wait to do a full review on these. So let's wrap it up. As always, like, share, comment on this video, and enjoy your life, enjoy your sound. I'll see you next time.